we will introduce each function for production scheduling in Nexim. Production Plan in Nexim focuses on minimizing lead times, optimizing production plans, and is in the Plan category. Shared setups and production orders are optimized while considering various conditions and 20 items or more, such as changeover time and number of operators. Overall lead time can be reduced. Reasonable and realistic schedules can be created, taking into account the number of operators and the timing for parts delivery. This enables stable production while preventing plans from falling through. There were issues that it was time-consuming to rearrange plans to accommodate schedule changes and insertions during production. With Nexim, even when changes or insertions occur, it flexibly recalculates to minimize the impact on production. Sudden insertions can also easily be incorporated simply by dragging and dropping them into the schedule. No complicated settings are required, and schedules can be adjusted intuitively while monitoring the situation on site. Finally, we will introduce the optimization for equipment configuration. With this, concerns about determining the optimal number of machines and head configurations can be solved. With Smart Proposal, adjusting the existing configurations, adding and deleting machines, and changing heads can be simulated easily. Revising machine configuration and considering new lines can be advanced efficiently while calculating multiple patterns.
FUJI, innovative spirit.